How to create Lyft Driver account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Lyft Driver app in your device. If not, you can head towards your app store, search for the app and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You will be directed to this page. Click on Get Started. Now you can go ahead and type in your phone number, or also you can continue with your Apple ID. So I'm going to use my Apple ID. You have to click on that, then type in your Apple ID password and the email address. After you do that, now you'll need to type in your phone number over here. Clicking on this drop down, you can select the country. Then go ahead and type in the phone number and then click on Next. Now you will be receiving 6-digit code in your phone number that you have just entered. For the verification purpose, you'll need to check and type in the code over here, then click on Next. Go through the terms and conditions of Lyft and then click on I agree. Set your payment method. How do you like to pay? Credit or debit card, PayPal or cash? After you set it up, your account will be created. As you have used your Apple ID, all the information will be extracted from there, your username and all other details. So this way you can easily create your Lyft Driver account. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.